Remitby banking service honest review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume international transfers are slow or expensive, but Remitby offers a fast, transparent, and affordable way to send money globally. Remitby is a digital remittance platform that allows users to send money to over 40 countries with competitive exchange rates and low fees. One standout feature is real-time tracking. You can monitor your transfer from initiation to delivery, giving peace of mind that your funds are secure. Most people assume online remittance services are risky. The surprising truth is Remitby is regulated by financial authorities and uses encryption for secure transactions. They also offer customer support to resolve issues quickly, ensuring reliability. Another advantage is convenience. Transfers can be made by a mobile app or website, often within minutes depending on the destination. Users can also schedule recurring transfers, ideal for sending money to family abroad regularly. However, there are some considerations. Transfer limits vary by country, and fees can increase for larger amounts or certain payout methods. Always compare rates and timing before sending large sums. In conclusion, Remitby is a strong choice for affordable, fast, and secure international money transfers. Its transparency, speed, and mobile-first approach make it ideal for individuals needing reliable remittance services. Subscribe for more honest banking and finance service reviews before sending your next international transfer.